Hi, my name is Zahra, and today I'll be presenting the inquiry that I have worked on during this study period. The inquiry that I have conducted is regarding the effect of plastic debris on sea turtles in Australia. Sea turtles have been on Earth for more than 100 million years and have a lifespan of 80 years. However, they are now classified as endangered species due to the amount of plastic debris on the Australian beaches that is causing a major threat to their survival. Plastic debris has been a major issue on the Australian beaches and is leaving the sea turtles to struggle for their existence due to the ingestion and entanglements that is causing their death. The reason being is that plastic remains on beaches for many years and does not break down easily due to its durability. Inconsequently, the sea turtles rely on safe and clean beaches in order to breathe and remain healthy. However, as well as threats from diseases, entanglement, illegal fishing and bycatch, sea turtles nest in northern Australia and need urgent protection from plastic debris. Sea turtles are important sea creatures. They assist in providing a healthy balance in the ocean by providing nutrition and shelter for other marine creatures like the seahorses. This investigation required me to use Google as the main research tool in order to answer the research questions that I have provided in this inquiry. Australian government websites are used to uncover specific percentages of deaths and injuries of sea turtles in Australia. It also included information about the conservation volunteers. These volunteers are located in Queensland, Western Australia and Northern Territory. These websites introduce many important articles on how the Australian government and the conservation volunteers are working towards keeping our beaches clean from plastic debris that are putting the sea turtles at risk. After completing this inquiry, research identified that 88.7% of sea turtles became injured or died from entanglements, and 11.2% from ingestion. As stated by Paul Land 2009, plastic debris has been a major problem on the Australian beaches, which has led to the death and injury of thousands of sea turtles per year. However, the 6 species of sea turtles that occur in the Australian beaches are protected under the Australian Government's Environment Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act 1999 and various states and Northern Territory legislation. However, sea turtles are still considered endangered species and rely on humans to minimise the amount of disposable plastic used and to help clean up Australian beaches from plastic and rubbish that is making its way intentionally or unintentionally into the Australian beaches. Australian beaches have a delicate ecosystem because they do not receive the amount of source of nutrition needed. Sea turtles assist in supporting this ecosystem when they nest. The reason being is that sea turtles lay tens of thousands of eggs, but a large amount of these eggs do not hatch and remain on the beaches. A part gets eaten by sea creatures, and the remaining eggs decay and sustain the beach. However, if the number of sea turtles continue to decrease, this will result in minor vegetation which will lead the beach's erosion, and sea creatures like fish, lizards, snakes, crocodilians, and birds will be affected. The reason being is that they feed on the eggs that do not hatch. As part of a national plan, conservation volunteers are working towards reducing the number of deaths of sea turtles by conducting critical monitoring programs and nest protection work in northwest of Western Australia. The inquiry that I have conducted links to the Australian curriculum and best suits Year 3 and 4. It relates to the following content descriptors. Living things depend on each other and on the environment to survive. This is related to the sea creatures that are highly dependent on the existence of sea turtles because they provide nutrition and other sources that keep them healthy. And the knowledge of science assists people in understanding the effects of their actions. This is linked to the plastic that humans intentionally or unintentionally leave behind and makes its way into the Australian beaches. This rubbish then becomes into plastic debris, which has a major effect on the lives of sea turtles and other sea creatures.